Recently, I just thought, let me try out a chain to just get a new look. So I tried this Colton James. I wanted something not very expensive, but also sort of medium in terms of price range. I got this one by Colton James. I went and I checked around the Colton James brand itself, and I see that they sell quite a variety of things ranging from sunglasses, chains, watches, useful swaggy people. Okay, the only piece of jewelry that I own really is just a copper bracelet that I bought from Clicks. I normally don't buy jewelry that part of it. So I also looked who I checked from the internet who Colton James was, but Wikipedia wasn't that helpful. Everything was in Afrikaans. So I just searched maybe something like IMDb will probably have something for me. So I checked from Google to find out who this guy was because I don't want to buy stuff or ideally I wouldn't want to buy stuff that's branded by one of the guys that despise certain groups of people or pages. I don't know, they're like grim reapers or like monsters. But he looks like a friendly guy. I haven't met him, whatever. But my gut feeling tells me he's an okay guy. Um, he's an actor apparently. Well, at least that's what IMDb tells me. He's an actor. He's been part of certain movies. He's an actor. How old is he? He was born in '88. Um, in February. Yeah, he's an actor, American. He's American, okay. And okay, yeah. So I decided, okay, that's not a bad choice to buy stuff by the guy. So this is how the chain looks like, very close, like close up. This is the fastener. I don't like this kind of fasteners, I must say. It's very difficult to take it out. You have to look on it to take it out. You can just unclip and clip it. You have to turn the chain around and look at it. It's got some weight on it, actually. Not very feels a bit premium when you hand. Yeah, so that's the fastener, and it's one of those old kind of fasteners. But I guess it's what you get for what you pay for, which is like 7.99. Quite steep, if you ask me. Um, Maybe I should have waited for a sale or something like that. So this is me trying the chain with that with that normal fastener. Do that, turn it around. That is how it looks like on a round neck. It looks, I think, rather round necks. I prefer to wear it with a round neck t-shirt, not the collared one, and tuck it in. I like to tuck it in, not make it stick out. You must only see it if you're really looking. Then you'll see that I'm wearing a chain. I like it to be like that. It's a drag to take it out. It's really a drag. You have to turn it around and look at it. You can't do it from there. Well, I think I can't do it from the back. I have to look at it and take it out. So that's one of the things I was concerned about like before. That metal that joins the chain to the fastener, it is super thin. It doesn't bend when you try hard to bend it, but it's still very thin. I don't know how long will that last. And it's got that metal in it. It's apparently it's white gold and coated with rhodium. At least that's what I read from the description. Yeah, and you see that it is the chain is soldered onto the onto that fastening metal that joins with the fastener, so it won't come out. Eventually, it is soldered in. It's not just pressed. so it won't come up. There's a little bit of solder. If you look very closely, you'll see that it is soldered. This one is a 61 centimeter long chain. That's the other end of the fastener. Also has that very thin metal that is soldered onto the chain. Yeah, the chain itself, it's between medium and small. It's not very small, the thickness, but at the same time, it's also not very large. If you look at the chain bits themselves, you will see that there is smaller gaps in between. So this is probably joined by hand. One of those old days. I don't know, hammer. You use a hammer and I don't know, some heating and join these things together. It's laborious. I actually checked in from YouTube how Cuban links are made, and it's a bit laborious. I must appreciate that at least.